Breaking news coming in. Shiv Sena is playing down Pawar-Fadnavis meeting. Sanjay Raut says, and I quote, Sharad Pawar must have guided leader of opposition Devendra Fadnavis. It's wrong to look at it for political purposes. Sharad Pawar may have instructed Fadnavis that the opposition will not come to power in Maharashtra for the next 100 years due to the manner in which the opposition is creating chaos in the politics of Maharashtra, unquote.
ये क्या है लोटस ऑपरेशन भूल जाइए आप. ऑपरेशन लोटस ना बंगाल में होगा ना महाराष्ट्र में होगा. देखिए देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी महाराष्ट्र के एक सीएम हैं. आज जो एलओपी है, लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन है, तो मैं मानता हूँ ये कर्टेसी विजिट है. उससे कोई राजनीतिक माहौल गरमाएगा या भूल जाइए. तो इस हालात में जो संकट की घड़ी है महामारी की, उसमें विरोधी दल ने किस प्रकार से अपनी भूमिका लेनी चाहिए, किस प्रकार से काम करना चाहिए, सरकार के साथ किस प्रकार से कोऑपरेशन करना चाहिए, इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ स्टेट, इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ पब्लिक, इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ नेशन, ये जरूर पवार साहब ने उनको गाइड किया हो.
Mustafa is joining us for the very latest. Mustafa, while the Sena is playing down this particular meeting, what transpired and why did Pawar and Fadnavis have this meeting?
Well, as of now, in the political circles of BJP and NCP, this meeting is being termed as a meeting which was done casually between Fadnavis and Sharad Pawar. But yes, as both of the politicians hold high stakes in the politics of Maharashtra, it cannot be played down, and there are some experts who are believing that some strategy must have been built, or some issue must have been discussed in this meeting where two political bigwigs of Maharashtra had met, and this was not a scheduled one. It was termed as a courtesy visit. But yes, there are many you can say interpretations which are being taken out of this meeting, because the NCP chief Sharad Pawar is holding all the keys of Maha Vikas Aghadi government, and the BJP is known that since 1.5 years trying to come back to power in Maharashtra, because in spite of having most number of seats, they are sitting in the opposition. So yes, there could be some political meanings to this particular meeting, but as of now, it's not crystal clear as to what was the issues which were discussed between Fadnavis and Pawar. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, I'll leave it at that. Thanks so much for bringing our viewers up to speed with the latest developments right there.